Hi. We have seen good rollovers in Nifty and it has been in line with last 3 months averages. That is in percentage terms. But if we look at absolute open interest, it has reduced quite substantially, approximately around 18 to 20%, which clearly indicates that the short positions which are getting carried to January series from December are much less than what it got from November to December. Also, if I see FIS data, as their percentage of cumulative gross position of the market, it has come down to 32%, which indicates that their positions have come down. Now, if I club these two things, it clearly indicates that the exposure of FIs is much less in our market. What we are also seeing that from the options data, that 4,500 is having highest open interest built up in puts in Nifty, and in call around 5,000, 5,100 strikes are having good amount of built up. So there's a broader range of 500, 600 points for Nifty. We are heading towards lower end of that band, or we are almost there around 4,600 levels. So I would suggest not to short this market. We believe that FIs are right now not actively present in our market. Once the vacation period is over, they would be back in first week of Jan or so. They would try to pull this market probably towards 4850, 4900 levels, and that would happen not because of their buying but because of non-FIs who are short in market. These guys would start covering, and that higher levels probably then FIs would probably initiate some kind of short position. So as of now, we are not suggesting any kind of short positions to be formed. If you want to trade with positive bias, let it be index or some of the large caps. Don't get into mid cap as of now. Also, we are seeing that Bank Nifty has shown similar kind of trends. The short positions which got rolled over in absolute open interest is quite less. Stocks like ICICI Bank has seen reduction of open interest, whereas stocks like Axis Bank has seen addition of open interest more on the short side. Two financial names like HDFC and IDFC, they have shown lot of addition of open interest, but in HDFC it was long formation, IDFC it was short formation. There are a lot of mixed trend within the sectors also we are seeing. So we would advise, rather than taking a sectoral call, take a broader market call either on Nifty or be large cap stock specific.